Now we have studied about the table tag, the use of tr tag, the use of th tag as well as td tag. Now it's time to learn about the attributes. I have already explained you about the border attribute as well as border color attribute. Okay, now we will learn about the width, align, bg color as well as background. So let's jump to the width option. Before explaining you about the width, I want to tell you one more thing about the border. If you want to increase the thickness of the border, then you may increase the number. The much the number you will increase, the more thickness you will get. Save it and then refresh the page. As you can see, the border thickness is increased now. Okay, if you want to remove the border, you need to do one thing only. In place of number, you just write down 0. Save it. Again, refresh the page. It will remove the border. And your table will be shown without any border. Not even the inside borders or outside border. Alright. So it's better to draw a border. So write down here 10, save it. Okay, now it looks nice. So I am going to explain you about the width attribute. This looks so congested. Okay, you want to increase and expand the width of this table. So for that you have to go back again to the HTML coding, where you are using your table tag. With the table tag, inside that you have to write all the attributes. Give a space, then write down width equal to, I am going to increase it by 70%. Always write in percentage. Can you see the width has increased? Similarly, you can increase the height also. This height option is not available in your book. I am just telling you about it. So if you want to increase the height of this table also, you can write height equal to 40%. Save it. Refresh it again. You can see the height of this table is increased now. Okay. Our next attribute is align attribute. So let me explain you about the align attribute. When you write something in your copy, by default you used to write from the left hand side in English as well as in Hindi also. But when you write in Urdu, you used to write from the right hand side. So alignment of the Urdu is right side. The alignment of the English language is from the left hand side. As you can see, your table is aligned by default on the left hand side of the page. Okay, but you want it to be in the right hand side of the page. For that you have to write align attribute again within the table tag. It's not necessary that you write your next attribute just after the earlier attributes. You may write anywhere within. So write down align equal to right. Save it. Refresh it. Now your table is aligned on the right side of the web page. Similarly, if you want it in the center of the web page, write down align equal to, instead of right, write down center. Center spelling should be C-E-N-T-E-R. Never write C-E-N-T-R-E because that is not understood by the web browser. Can save it. Again, refresh it. Now your table is aligned in the center of the web page. Okay, you can align to the left of the web page also. Remove center and write down left. Save it again. came back. So by default you are getting the same thing. Okay, so I am going to insert it in the center of the table. Okay. So there are three values, either left, center or right. Okay. Our next attribute is BG color. You all know about it. You have changed your background web page color by using this attribute. And if you want to change the background color of the table, then write down BG color. So write down BG color equal to pink. Save it. BG stands for background. Color spelling should be COLOR. Do not write COLOUR because again it won't be understood by the web browser. Save it. Refresh the page. Now can you see the result? The background color of this table get changed. Earlier it was white. Now it is pink. Our last attribute that is left is background. Background, at a time you can insert the background color or any image. Okay, so for inserting the image you need to use this attribute background. So you have to choose one option if whether you want to insert a background image or the background color. Write down background equal to. After that you have to write double inverted comma by pressing the shift key. Type double inverted comma, then again double inverted commas. Within these pair of double inverted commas you have to insert the path where your image is located as well as the name of the image with the extension. Okay, so I have an image located here. I want to insert this image in the background of the table. So for this you have to do one thing. Just right click on it. Click on properties option. Here you have to select the location of the file. Select it. Just right click on it. Copy it. Otherwise you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+C. Copy it and paste it in the notepad within the double inverted commas. So right click on it. Paste it, or simply use shortcut key Ctrl+V. As you can see, after the background equal to online learning practical chapter 3 is the name of the folder. Then you have to use \sign. Okay, come back to the image properties. Now select the name of the file. Again Ctrl+C, copy it and paste it after the \sign. Okay. As you can see, this is the name of the image that you are going to insert. Here is the extension .jpg. Extension is very important. If you forget to write the extension, then your image will not get displayed. Alright. Save it and then now go back to the web browser page, then refresh the page. Now you can see in our background the image is inserted. That's all for today. Thank you very much for listening to me carefully. It's a request to you to please write down today's coding in your copy so that you may not forget, and write about each tag and each attribute what you have learned today. Thank you very much.